spoil your dinner. No, thank you. Not for me. Let's see if we can find your family. Come over here. Oh, no.
And now, ladies and gents, it is my pleasure to present the queen of the 1921 Gillenbone Show, Miss Judy Sutton.
Hey.
Hey.
Good on you, Judy.
Oh, well, bless my beads. It's a good father.
Congratulations, Judy.
How about a kiss for Miss Gilly, huh? Come on, give me something to confess on Sunday.
Well, I mustn't make my best girl jealous, now must I?
Round and around and around she goes. The wheel of fortune. Step right out.
Hello, Aunt Mary.
Father?
Mary, you're looking splendid. Will you be staying over?
I rather hoped you'd invite me to stay at the rectory.
You could stay in my room.
Your room? I thought you were at the convent.
Oh, no. Father Ralph gave me my very own room, right next to his.
You're very welcome to stay, Mary. I'm sure my housekeeper will be happy to share a room with Maggie tonight.
No, thank you. I wouldn't want to disturb all your little arrangements.